Hey everybody, it's Thedollboy, and today I'm taking a look at yet another Series 2 Rainbow High doll. I have reviewed most of the main line of Rainbow High dolls on my channel already, and with the addition of Bella, I've almost completed Series 2. If you have enjoyed all of these Rainbow High reviews and restyles so far, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. Also, please let me know in the comments if you want me to get Karma Nichols as well, because honestly, she's the one doll in this second wave that I'm not really sure about. But today, we're taking a look at Bella Parker. Bella comes in the same style box as all of the previous Rainbow High dolls, where you get a great look at the doll in box, and the second outfit and shoes as well. On this box, you can also find a reference to the animated YouTube series, in which, spoiler alert, Bella gets kicked out of Rainbow High. I'm really hoping for her to make a comeback soon, and finally gets that official relationship status with Jade. I am really curious to hear your thoughts and theories about Bella coming back to Rainbow High, so please leave those in the comments, because I love watching what you guys think. The back of the box, as always, shows you the Rainbow High logo in gold, the full artwork for the Series 2 characters, including Bella herself. Honestly, I still don't really understand what she's doing in Series 2, since most of her screen time was in the beginning of the first season, and her closest friends were released in the first Series 2. On the bottom of the box, it says "Welcome to Rainbow High," the colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama. As always, I'm going right in and unbox this doll by cutting away the tape at the side, top, and bottom, because that allows you to open up the back of the box just like a book. This way you can take out the part that holds the doll, and that second box holding the second outfit and shoes. On the back of that box, you can find the doll stand she comes with, that's made out of a pink, sparkly plastic. Bella also comes with these light pink clothing hangers that are a lot lighter than the doll stand. This light pink does match the doll's color scheme very well, because Bella's hair and outfit are this very pale pink color. Both the comb this doll comes with and the doll stand are a much brighter pink, which seem to match Stella's colors. Right out of the box, Bella looks very cute. She's wearing this black headband with pearl details, and that headband is sewn into the hair to keep it in place. She's wearing some soft makeup with these light eyebrows and light pink eyeshadows. And just like the other Rainbow High dolls, she also has those real lashes that I really love. Her lips are this darker pink, and Bella's skin tone is very pale as well. Bella's light pink hair is all in one color, and it's styled in 3 big curls. I will be restyling Bella's hair in this video too, so stay tuned for that. Bella is wearing these light yellow earrings that resemble diamonds. For her outfit, she's wearing the Chanel-inspired jacket and skirt that have some sparkles woven into the fabric, and there's a lot of black sequins detailing on this outfit. Personally, I do really like the idea of this outfit, but I think overall it looks a little too bulky for my liking. Underneath the jacket, Bella is wearing a pink t-shirt that says California Dream, which I think will look really cute styled with a more casual look as well. Then the skirt is in the same fabric as the jacket and also has those black sequins going around as a belt and straight down the front. One thing I also love for these Series 2 dolls is that their nails are actually painted. For Bella, her nails obviously are in this pale pink color to match her entire aesthetic. Then going down, she's wearing white knee-high socks that I think are so cool, and she got on these gorgeous chunky heels. The straps have these pearl details again, and those heels are really structured and have pink soles. For Bella's second outfit, she also comes with some really cute pieces. First, she has this jacket and dress combination. This jacket really reminds me of the jacket Violet came with, but has these pearl details added to the sleeves that really match all of Bella's accessories so well. Then this dress looks really adorable, with this white collar, black bow detail, and it's made of the same type of fabric as the jacket and skirt from the first outfit. Bella also comes with these really intricate light pink stockings that say RH all over them, which will be a great piece for mixing and matching too. And then the second pair of shoes are these strappy pink and black shoes that have a golden buckle detail as well as pink painted soles. Now to wash Bella's hair, I'm gonna start off by taking out her headband, which was way more of a struggle than I expected, because that was sewn into her hair quite well. So you do want to be careful not to cut any hair in the process. Another thing to be cautious about is the way the part is placed, because for my specific doll, some strands from the part were styled to the wrong side, which would give her some serious bald spots if you don't be mindful of that. To wash out the product of the doll's hair, I simply start by using cold water and dip the hair in. For my Bella doll, I noticed that she had a lot less product in her curls than my previous Rainbow High dolls had, so I was able to start brushing her hair very quickly already. I did take my time to brush out some of the bigger knots I found in the hair before giving the doll another rinse and brush through. As I showed, for my Bella, her part was not laying down the way I wanted, so to set that in place nicely, I'm gonna run some hot water over the parting space, which will really help it to stay to the correct sides. After that, I dressed her in the second outfit, which might be my favorite, and started to curl the hair with these perm rollers that I got in a beauty supply store. You can also find them online in several different sizes by simply searching for perm rollers. For the style I was going for on Bella, I wrapped all of the hair in the same direction, going towards her face on the side that has the most hair. After letting that sit for a couple of days, I took the curlers out to give me these really tight and bouncy curls. Like this, I really didn't like them, but after separating and letting the curls drop for a few days, Bella got this stunning wave, which was exactly what I was going for. For some pictures, I dressed her in the pink polka dot sweater and blue jeans that came in the Avery Fashion Studio because I really liked that she was wearing this sweater in some of the webisodes. And with that, we're finishing up my Bella Barker doll restyle. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments what type of Rainbow High video you'd like to see next. Then, if you like my doll restyles and you want to see more of my Rainbow High pictures, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, where you can find me at Thedollboy. See you next time!